what you see is a body craving perfection. What was it then?
En gammel vindmøllefabrik derovre. Vi kan se de der rør, der ligger derovre. Det er vindmøller lige, når vi keder os en gang imellem, når det regner, så gik vi derovre og skate ind i rørene. Det var pisse sjovt.
So, I like my daily vlogging because it's just as you go and you can do it all the time and it doesn't take long to edit. So that's me.
Thank you, Denmark.
Welcome. All four of us.
Double vlog in action.
Camera kissing.
And
We have an intro song.
We are Milky Fall.
we make acoustic music. Welcome to our channel. Hope that you will like it. Yes.
Yeah, that's the intro.
Thank you. However, we're gonna start with a Swedish song. Sorry. However, I think that some of you may understand it anyway, because it's about this feature on YouTube.
No,
that-
Facebook.
Facebook, sorry, on Facebook, where you can poke people. Yes, it's about poking, okay?
Jag vill att du ska poka mig, poka mig. Jag vill att du ska poka mig, poka mig. Peppe, peppe, poka mig, poka mig. Jag vill att du ska poka mig. På Facebook, ända sen du la till mig. Jag har gillat varje bild på dig och detta har jag gjort för att jag tycker du är snygg och snäll. Om du bara pokar mig så pokar jag tillbaks på dig. Och om du pokar mig igen så bjuder jag vill att du ska poka mig, poka mig. Falling down the wishing well all the way, please pick me up again. Oh, I feel weightless here.
Staring at the wall to find a quick way out. Babe, you played me rough. You blow a kiss and say I'm fine, but that won't be enough. You wanna get me back in your life? Well, I say, I'll say it out loud. It's over now. You wanna get me back in your life? Well, I say, it's over now. I love you, honey, it's me and you. I won't fall for that stuff. You blow a kiss and say I'm fine, but that won't be enough. We were caught up and lost in all of our vices. In your bones as the dust settled around us. The walls came tumbling down in the city that we love.
Oh, Jesus Christ! We have one more thing to show you. One more song.
Spoons to master the most epic banana split.
Who can say with their tiny toes come where the river flows? Hold me tight. Okay, I'm gonna try. Who can say when they pick their nose just like a false? Hold me tight.
was it.
Can we undress now?
Can we please?